some say it's from West and some say it's from India. But the dish I'm gonna do today is from a land of delicious food, Afghanistan. So join me and let's prepare Kandhari chicken tikka. The Kandhari chicken tikka is marinated in 2 stages. In first stage, I'm gonna add pomegranate juice. Next, I'm gonna add finely chopped beetroot. Green chili paste, black pepper powder and salt. Now I mix the chicken with the first marination. Let me tell you an amazing fact that pomegranate is highly produced in India and it is also known as the high healing element. So guys, I had kept the chicken for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to start with the second stage of the marination. For the second set of marination, I'm going to add hung curd, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm going to add little processed cheese, teaspoon of red chili powder, teaspoon of turmeric powder, cardamom powder, small teaspoon of garam masala. And to finish off the marination, a dollop of butter. Now let's mix the marination with the hand. Guys, you might be wondering why I've added only teaspoon of the masalas, as it is a fruit based tikka and I don't want any masala to overpower the flavor of the fruit. Now I'm going to let the chicken rest for at least 20 to 25 minutes. I had kept the chicken for resting. Now I'm going to put the chicken on the skewer and then we'll do the grilling. Pick up a chicken piece and just jab it through the skewer. I'm almost done putting all the chicken on the skewer. Now I'm going to start with the grilling. Now for grilling, first I'm going to take a pan, add normal cooking oil. The reason I'm not using mustard oil is because it has a high smoking point and aroma and it might affect the flavor of the chicken tikka, which is fruit based. My oil is heated up. Now I'm going to put the skewer on the pan. Now I'm going to let the chicken cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes on both sides. Now let's turn the sides. Can you see the beautiful texture of the chicken tikka? And you can also see the small chunks of beetroot which I had put in the marination. Now we'll change the sides again. Now let's start basting the chicken. Now take a spoon and take all the melted butter and start glazing the chicken. This will not only help the chicken get cooked faster but also will keep the chicken soft, moist and tender. My chicken tikka is ready. Now I'm going to squeeze 1 lemon juice on top of all of them. And now we'll do the final plating. To start my garnish, first I'm going to put pomegranate juice on all the tikkas, sprinkle some chaat masala on all the tikkas and finally finish off with fresh coriander leaves. And our Kandhari chicken tikka is now ready. If you really enjoyed my fruity chicken tikka, then do shower me with lots of love by liking, commenting and sharing. And if you want to see more of us, then do subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.